pond one sunny day. The ducks all lined in bright array. Mama duck called, "Come, don't delay. It's time to start our ducks parade." Waddle, waddle, one by one, flapping wings in the morning sun. Waddle, waddle, two by two, yellow, brown, and silver too. They marched through reeds, they splashed with glee. They quacked a tune in harmony. The frogs all clapped, the fish all played, and joined the happy ducks parade. They wobbled left, they wobbled right, feathers shining, pure delight. Waddle, waddle down the lane, then back to the pond again. The turtles joined with careful pace, smiling wide in the morning race. Dragonflies danced above the stream, adding sparkle to the scene. Mama duck led with gentle cheer. Keep waddling on, the fun is near. The ducklings quacked a cheerful song. Their happy feet moved all day long. When sunset painted skies of gold, the ducklings did as they were told. They snuggled close where cattails swayed, and dreamed of their next ducks parade. The moon rose high, the stars shone bright. The pond was calm throughout the night. All the ducks in cozy beds dreamed of marching with their friends.